Hello students, in the previous video we learned how to find out the square root through subtraction of successive odd numbers. So one example completed, do this completed. So next, it is easy to find the square roots of any square numbers by the above subtraction process. But in case of bigger numbers like 625, 729, it is time taking process. So let us try to find simple ways to obtain the square roots. So what it is meaning, when you are getting the bigger numbers square root, so we need to use another method to find out the square root answer, because the previous method is a very time taking process. What are the another methods? We have a total two methods. One is prime factorization method, another one is division method. In this video we are going to learn the prime factorization method. So here he gave one example problem. So let us find the square root of 484 by prime factorization method. First step 1 is resolve the given number 484 into prime factors we get. So what is a prime factor? Prime means a number having only two factors is called a prime number. So 2 prime number, 3 prime number, 5 prime number, 7, next to 11, 13, etc. These are the prime numbers because they have only two factors, 1 and itself. So resolve the given number into a prime factors. We need to do some rough work. So here is a rough work. First 484 is coming in the first prime number table, that is 2. 2 ones are 240, 2s are 484. 242 is coming in 2 table again. So 2 ones are 2, 121s are 242. Next to 121 is not coming in 2 table, then go for next prime number, that is 3. And 121 is not coming in 3 table, go for next prime number 5. It is also not coming in 5 table. Next to 7, it is also not coming. Next to 11, so 11 11s are 121. Next to 11 ones are 11. So finally we got the 1 here. So let us write the 484 equals to here 2 2's, 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. So this is step 1. Next to step 2 is make pairs of equal factors we get. Here we have a 2 equal factors. 2 into 2 is 1 pair. 11 into 11 is a second pair. So here he made a 2 pairs. Next to third step is choosing one factor out of every pair. We have a 2 pairs. From the first pair we can choose one number, that is 2. Next from the second pair choose another number, that is 11. So therefore the square root of 484 equals to product of these two numbers. 2 into 11 is 22. So the answer is 22. We can verify this answer. How to verify? Actually it is a square root of 484 na? So that means 22 into 22 should come as a 484. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 4, 2 2s are 4. So 484. So 484. So our answer is correct. Next to example 3. So find the square root of 1296 by prime factorization method. So here is a rough work and here is a pairs. From each pair he was taken one number, here 2, 2, 3, 3, and the answer is 36. Next example 4, find the square root of 2025. So here is a process how to write the product of prime factors, and we have a total 3 pairs. From each pair one number was selected, so then the answer is 45. Next let's go to exercise. After first bit I will explain example 5 and example 6. So exercise 6.2, the first bit is find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. First question is 441. So 440, is it coming in 2 table? No. next to take the next prime number 3. So it is coming in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 1 remainder, next digit is 4. 3 fours are 12, 2 remainder, next digit is 1. 3 sevens are 21. Once again it is coming in 3 table. 3 fours are 12. So 2 is a remainder, next digit is 7. 3 nines are 27. Next to 49 is not coming in 3 table, then go for next prime number, that is 5, but it is not coming in 5 table, so next prime number is 7. 7 sevens are 49, so 7 ones are 7. So 441 equals to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So here we can take the pairs. There are total 2 pairs with equal factors. So therefore under root 441 equals to, so 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21. So the square root of 441 is 21. Let's verify the answer. Verification means just multiply 21 with 21. So here 21, 21. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1, 4, 4, 441. Question is 784. 784. It is coming in 2 table. So 2 threes are 6, 1 remainder. 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder. Next digit is 9. 2 nines are 18, 1 remainder. Next digit is 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table. 2 nines are 18, 1 remainder. 2 eights are 16. So 2 fours are 8, 1 remainder, 18. 2 nines are 18. Next 49 is coming in 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. Next 7 table. 7 ones are 7. So 784 equals to total 4 twos. 2 into 2 into 2 into and 2 sevens. 7 into 7. So here one pair, second pair, third pair. Then square root of 784 equals to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 twos are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So the square root of 784 is 28. So let us verify our answer. 28 into 28. 8 8 is 64, 4 6 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So here 4 8 7. So 784 is our answer, is our correct answer. Next third question 4096. So first it is coming in 2 table. 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16. Again 2 table. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. Again 2 table. 2 fives are 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. 2 six are 12, 2 fours are. Next to 2 32s are. Next to 2 16s are. Next to 2 8s are. Next to 2 4s are. Next to 2 2s are. So 2 ones are 2. So finally 4096 equals to how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth, fifth and sixth. So therefore the square root of 4096 equals to, select a number from each pair. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64. So let us verify. 64 into 64, 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 24 here, 2 carry, 4 4 6 6 are 36, 38. So 6 9 10 1 carry, 4096. Fourth question, 7056. 7056, first two table, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Again two table, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 2 4s are. Again two table, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 1s are. Next it is not coming in two table. Next to 3 table, 3 1s are 1 remainder, 3 4s are 12, 2 remainder, 3 7s are. Again 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are. Now it is coming in 7 table, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So 7056 equals to total 4 2s and 2 3s and 2 7s. So here is a one pair, second pair, here third pair and fourth pair. So under root 7056 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So under root 7056 equals to 84. So let us verify the answer. 84 into 84, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 8s are 64 plus 3 67. So 5 10 1 carry, 7056. So our answer is correct. So after first bit we have some word problems 2 to 9. The first word problem is find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So it is same like a example 5. So what is example 5? Find the smallest number by which 720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So let's do the second problem now. So first of all 3645 resolve into a product of prime factors. So 3645, it is not coming in two table, then next prime number is 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 1 remainder, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 table, 3 4s are 12 and 15 is we should take the two digits at a time, so that is why 0, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 1 remainder, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 3 4s are 12, 1 remainder, 3 5s are 15. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Next 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. So finally 5 is a prime number, 5 1s are 5. So 3645 equals to how many 3's total? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 6 3's and 1 5. Now coming to question, find the smallest number. First of all, let's make a pairs. Here is a first pair, here is a second pair, third pair, but here no pair, because find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. So actually if you have a one more pair, then definitely 3645 is a perfect square. So to make a pair we need to multiply one more number. What is that? 5. So multiply. So what is the smallest number? 5 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So this is the answer. Next third problem, find the smallest number by which 2400 is to be multiplied to get a perfect square. So same like a previous second problem. And also find the square root of the resulting number. So that means after multiplying with the smallest number we will get one answer. So that is a resulting answer. For that number find out the square root answer. So 2400 it is coming in two table. 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 table, 2 six are, again 2 table, 2 300s are, again 2 table, 150s are. So 2 sevens are 14, one reminder, 2 fives are 15. Next to 3 table, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Next to 5 table, 5 fives are 25. And finally 5 ones are 5. So here 2 into 2 is one pair, 2 into 2 is a second pair, 5 into 5 is third pair. So to make a pair, here we need 1 2 and here we need 1 3 to get the pairs. So then overall what is the smallest number should be multiplied? So 1 2 should be multiplied and 1 3. So 2 3s are 6. So overall 6 should be multiplied, which, so next what is asking, also find the square root of the resulting number. So now 2400 multiply with 6. So it is equals to 2400 means these all equals to 2400 na? So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 5 into 5. These are 2400. Now multiply with the 6. 6 means 2 into 3. So here for 2 twos 1 2 will come. So under root 2400 into 6 equals to how much? Under root 0 0 4 2 carry 14. So then what is its answer? For here one pair, one number, here for one number, and here 2 into 2, and here 3 into 3, one pair, and here is a 5. So it is equals to what? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24, 24 into 5, 5 fours are 22, carry 5 to the 10, 12. So 120. So the answer is 120. Next to fourth question, find the smallest number by which 7776 is to be divided to get a perfect square number. So it is same like a example 6. See here, find the smallest number by which 6000 should be divided to get a perfect square. So 7776, it is coming in two table, 2 3s are 6, one reminder, next digit 7, 2 8s are 16, one reminder, next 7, 2 8s are 16, one reminder, next 6, 2 8s are 16. Next to 2 table, 2 ones are 2, one reminder, 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 4s are. Again 2 table, 2 9s are 18, one reminder, 2 7s are 2 2s are. Again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, one reminder, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Next to 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are. Now 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 8s are 24, 3 ones are 3. Again 3 table, 3 twos are 6, 2 reminder, 3 sevens are 21. Next 3 nines are 27. Next 3 threes are 9. And finally 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Now 7776 equals to how many twos here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many threes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, here is a 5. So total 5 threes are there. So here one group, one pair, here second pair, next here third pair, next here fourth pair. There is a no pair for 2 and 3. So that means we have to remove these two numbers to get the perfect square. Remove nothing but divide the given number with 2 and 3, then you will get the perfect square. So therefore the smallest number 2 into 3, it is equals to 6 to get a perfect square. Question: 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. Find the number of rows and number of trees in each row. See here, there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. For example, there are total 3 rows in a garden. Then each row how many trees? 3 trees will be there because there are total 3 rows in a garden. For example, there are total 5 rows are there. 5 rows. Then in each row how many trees will be there? 5 trees will be there in each row. Okay. And in the first case, how many trees are there in the garden total? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 trees. How to write these 9 trees? Total number of rows 3, and in each row how many trees are there? 3. So 3 into 3 equals to 9. Similarly, here total number of trees how many? Total 5 rows are there, and in each row how many trees? 5 trees. So 5 into 5 equals to 25. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here also what is asking? Find the number of rows. For example, I am selecting the number of rows as a x and the number of trees in each row. How many trees will be there in each row? Number of rows trees. So x. So x into x equals to total number of trees. It is equals to what is the answer given in the question? 1521. Okay. So total number of trees in a garden equals to x into x. But as per the question, the total number of trees in a garden equals to 1521. So this is total number of trees. It is also total number of trees. So we can equate them. X into x equals to 1521. X into x means x square equals to 1521. Then here x square means we need x value. That means this square will transpose to RHS side. Then what will happen? Under root. Okay. When the square transposing to another side, it will become square root. So square root of 1521. And we know very well the prime factorization method. Using it, let's find its square root answer. So here 1521, it is not coming in 2 table. So take the next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. Now take the 2 digits at a time. 3, so 0 will come. 3 7s are 21. Again 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 2 remainder. 3 6 are 18. 2 remainder. 3 9s are. Next to 169. So it is not coming in 3 table, 5 table, 7 table, 11 table, last 13 table. 13 13s are 169. So now 13 ones are 13. So therefore 1521 equals to 3 into 3, 13 into 13. 3 into 3 one pair, 13 into 3 is second pair. So therefore under root 1521 equals to here 3 into 13, it is equals to 3 into 13 how much? 39. So therefore the total number of rows x value how much? 39, and number of trees it is also 39. Next, sixth question. A school collected 2601 rupees as a fees from its students. A fee paid by each student and the number of students in the school were equal. how many students were there in the school? See here, if fee paid by each student and number of students in the school were equal, so same like a previous question. Okay, so first what I am doing, let number of students equals to x, so then fee paid by each student, it is equals to what? It is also a x, because how much money they are paying, so number of students how many are there, so that much of fee they are paying in the school. So then total money, total fee by all students equals to what? Total how many students are there? X students are there, and each student how much money they are paying? X rupees. So their multiplication will be equals to total fee by all students. But as per the question, the total fee collected all students, total fee collected from the all students equals to what? 2601. So then we can equate the both. X into x equals to 2601. From this, x square equals to 2601. Yeah, square transpose to RHS side, then x equals to under root 2601. So 2601 it is not coming in 2 table, no? So then take the 3 table. 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder, 3 6 are 18, 2 remainder, 3 7s are 21. Next to again 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 2 remainder, 26. So 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder, 3 9s are 289. Next to it is not coming in 3 table. Next to 5 table, 7 table, 11 table, 13 table, and the finally 17 table. 17 17s are 289. So 17 ones are 17. So 2601 equals to 3 into 3, 17 into 17. 3 into 3 one pair, 17 into 17 is the second pair. Then x equals to under root 2601 equals to, from the first pair one number, from the second pair second number, so of one number, so it is equals to what? 51. So therefore the number of students in a school, 51 students. Seventh question, the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, then find the two numbers. So let first number is x, then the second number will become, here one number is 16 times the other, so one number taken as x, then second number will become 16 into 16 times means 16 into x. Now product of these two numbers is how much? 1296. So then what are the two numbers? First number x, second number 16x, and their product it is equals to 1296. Here x into x, here 16 multiplying now to transpose to RHS side. So then 1296 divided by 16. X into x is x square, it is equals to, so 16 ones are 16, 16 8s are 128, one remainder, next digit is 6, 16 ones are 16. So x square equals to 81. Then x equals to what? Under root 81. So x equals to root 81 means, root 81 is very simple, 9 into 9. So then x equals to 9 is the answer. So then what is the first number? So therefore the first number is 9, and the second number is what? 16x, 16 into 9. So 16 into 9 equals to 144. So the two numbers are 9 and 144. Eighth question, 7,921 soldiers sat in a auditorium. in such a way that there are as many soldiers in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. So how many rows are there in the auditorium? For example, there are total 3 rows. Then in each row 3 soldiers sat. If there are 2 rows, then in each row 2 soldiers sat. So same like a fifth question. 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. Let number of rows in a auditorium is x, then number of soldiers in each row, it is also x. So therefore the total number of soldiers in the auditorium, it is equals to total number of rows x, and in each row number of soldiers also x. So x into x. So therefore, as per the question, the total number of soldiers is how many? 7921. Then x square equals to 7921. X equals to under root 7921. So 7921, it is not coming in 2 tables. So 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 1 reminder, 3 6 are 18, 1 reminder. Next to 12, 3 4s are 12. Sorry, it is not coming in 3 table. Next to 5 table, it is not coming in 5 table. Next to let's verify with 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 2 reminder. Next to 2, 7 3s are 21, 1 reminder. Yes, it is also not coming in 7 table. Next prime number is 11. 11 7s are 77. Reminder 2. Next digit is 2. So 11 2s are, yes, it is also not coming in 11 table. So it is coming in 89 table. So 89 9s are 89. So x equals to under root 7921 equals to 89 into 89. It is equals to 89. So therefore the number of rows in a auditorium equals to what? 89 rows. Next to ninth question, the area of a square field is 5184 meters square. Find the area of a rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square field and whose length is twice its breadth. So here he gave two field, one is square. So the area of a square is side into side. Next rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So he gave area of a square, that is 5184. From this we have to find out the side. Next perimeter of a square is required because rectangular field perimeter is equals to area of a rectangular field is, whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square field. So first of all what I am doing, so given that area of a square field, so it is implies area of a square field formula side into side, it is equals to 5184. Then side square equals to 5184. Then side equals to under root 5184. So here 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 reminder, 2 5s are 10, 1 reminder, 2 9s are 2 2s are. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 reminder, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are. Next to 2 table, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 table, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 2s are. Again 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next 81 is coming in 3 table, 3 1s are 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So finally 5184 equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and how many threes? 4 threes. So 3 into 3 into 3. So these are one pair, this is a second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair. Then under root 5184 equals to, select a number from each pair. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So the side of a square is how much? 72 meters. Next in the question, perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to perimeter of a square field, and whose length is twice of its breadth. So let breadth of a rectangular field equals to x meter, then length of a rectangular field is twice of its breadth. Twice means 2 into x, so it is equals to 2x meters. But as per the question, the perimeter of a rectangle equals to perimeter of a square. So then perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 of L plus B equals to perimeter of a square formula 4 into side. So 2 of L value 2x and B value is x. 4 into the side value is how much? 72. Now 2 bracket of 2x plus x is 3x. It is equals to 4 into 72, and 2 into 3 is 6x equals to 4 into 72. Then x equals to 4 into 72 divided by 6. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Then 4 into 12 is 48. So therefore the breadth of a rectangular field is x, then x value 48 meters, and length of a rectangular field 2x, 2 into 48, 96 meters. So therefore our required answer is area of a rectangular field. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. So length is 96 and breadth is 48. It is equals to 4608 meter square.